The Mele actually was written by Robert Casimiro and Wayne Chang when they were both kumu for Na Kamalei o LIKOLEHUA. And they wrote this Mele back in about between 1977 and 1979, when they were, just writing compositions or finding compositions to choreograph for their kane. And they wrote Mauna Ka'ala, Ka'ala, and it speaks of our Mauna here on Oahu, the highest mountain of Oahu, Mauna Ka'ala, which you can see on the Waianae side and on the Waialua side, and going far out all the way, you can see all the way to Diamond Head, Leahi. So why did I choose this Mele? One, it is a signature of Na PUALEI o LIKOLEHUA, which was choreographed by my mother, Leina Ala Kalamahini. And, I wanted to honor Mele for Oahu. And since Mauna Ka'ala is the 8th wonder of the world, what better way to showcase it here at the Prince Lot?